Hello, I'm Kathleen Valentine, and today I will give you my personal takeaway from the course Designing Client Needs. This overview will include 3.5 weeks of a variety of sources, including books by Catherine Best and Marnie Newmeyer, tutorials by designers Ina Salt, Nigel French, and Sean Adams, video presentations by Margot Chase and Simon Senek, a variety of design exercises and projects, which I'll present later on in this video. Let's dive right in. Ina Saltz presented to us in her tutorial directions on how to use typography to create interesting posters that can communicate a clear message to the reader. She gave us an assignment to design a black and white poster with only type. We had to give the reader an organized path through the information and assuring that the most important copy was prominent on the page. Our color assignment is also a very nice exercise. She was able to explain to us how we could use different types of colors in a way to create hierarchy on the color poster, but also she wanted to make sure that we did not ruin the visual of the poster itself. Like Ina Saltz, Nigel French gave similar instruction about how to design a unique poster by using various types of visuals. Both he and Ina stressed that the message had to be very clear and not confusing to the reader. Taking a chance and not being too conservative is what I took away from these exercises. I learned the most from Sean Adams. He went into great depth about grids and proportions in his tutorial. My favorite part of that tutorial was the golden rectangle, to learn about how often it's used in many different types of design, architecture, print, and various other things in life that the golden rectangle resembled. On this page, I'm using the golden rectangle, showing it how it laid over the top of my original sketch in a vertical setup. But the final piece that I really liked the most after I worked on it, it came out to be a horizontal piece, and the golden rectangle still fit in that same proportion. Our final project in week 4 was to develop a logo for a fictitious company called Red 30. Nigel French explains that after reading the creative brief, we should have a better understanding of the client's needs. But not all clients really know what they want. We as designers should not invest a whole lot of time developing a finished piece on the computer. Up front, instead, sketch out numerous options with descriptive captions in order to see which logo will be the most impactful and meet the needs of the project. For my interpretation, I went with a simple sans serif copy with a piece of film in the background. The red color is only used as a shadow of the red, and the 30 is fully filled with red to tie in with the company name. From this exercise, I learned that a logo needs to work in black and white to be successful. If it's not legible in black and white, or when scaled down to about 1 inch in size, it may need some modification. These past 4 weeks I had many takeaways, but the ones I felt were the most impactful for me was the Chase Design Group's creation of a customer to help rebrand the Chinese laundry footwear line. I thought it was very clever, and by the looks of the final product, it was very successful. In Simon Senek's video, he explained how the most creative and innovative people think of why first instead of what and how. The simple word will have a lasting effect on how I think. To answer the why first does make sense and can actually help speed up the creative process. Finally, Sean Adams' tutorial on proportions and grids will be my last takeaway for this course. I truly enjoyed every part. The interaction with my classmates in the discussion board was very beneficial, and I also learned a lot about how to navigate better through the discussion board. My greatest struggles, however, still have been how to record a video. So hopefully by the end of the year, I'll be able to develop a piece with confidence. And thank you for watching.